It's been a busy week for us boys at Thurton Auto Centre. Typical day for us now is 2 or 3 motorhomes in for MOT, servicing, cam belts. That's purely because one, we've got the expert technician in place, and also we've got plenty of space. As you can see, space is no problem for us boys. Our MOT pit is over 7 metres long. The workshop lanes are over 15 metres long. We undertake all motorhomes, horseboxes, light commercial vehicles up to 5 tonne, short, medium, long, extra long wheelbase, cars, SUVs, and we also do remedial work on motorhomes, get them prepared for retail. This van's come in to us with quite a lot of things that need doing just to get it up to spec for retail, and that'll be all ready after the weekend. It'll be on the market. Anyone interested in buying a lovely motorhome, feel free to give us a shout, because we'll be helping the owner sell it. If you're looking to get an MOT, we're selling out at $39.99. Yep, only $39.99, all MOTs. Give us a call, 01508 50 1160.